Good morning and welcome to the 10 a.m. daily weather brief. Taking a quick look at the current radar out there, some light showers pushing eastwards. They've popped up over the shore about an hour or two ago and have continued to kind of just linger. Not expecting any heavy rain out of these as they continue to push out of the area. And if we look towards the next 7 days ahead, starting on the top left here, we'll continue to see daily rain chances through Friday, as we will have a warm and moist air mass pushing into the region and expecting to see quite warm, feels like temperatures, heat indices climbing to upwards and above 100 degrees tomorrow, so potentially seeing a heat advisory on Thursday. And then for tomorrow afternoon, seeing also additional slight chances of pop-up showers and or thunderstorms. If we do see a thunderstorm, things will likely not be severe due to limited instability and upper level flow in the upper levels of the atmosphere. And then by Friday, we'll see a front from the north, which we can see here on the top right side of the screen. That front is going to begin pushing southwards through our region, and we'll also see upper level winds strengthening as a ridge amplifies. And that's going to work to increase that upper level shear, and our instability is going to be slightly more elevated, but still looks to be somewhat limited overall. So the exact severe threat of any thunderstorms that may develop associated with that front, the exact chances of severity are somewhat uncertain. But at the very least, Friday does look to be our next best chance of raining heading into the next couple of days. And that will be until we hit the weekend. Things do look to dry out for Saturday and Sunday. We'll have an upper level ridge building in over the area, and as a result, those daily highs are also going to be near, if not below average, and make for quite a pleasant weekend. Highs looking to be in the low to mid 80s. And then by late Sunday night and into Monday, we'll see a low pressure system tracking off to the north, and that's going to drag a warm front through initially, bringing in warm, moist air, and then a cold front to push through and kind of clean things out. But as it does such, it may bring us some rain through the area, and that is going to give us some unsettled weather, or the chance of seeing such as we head into the next week ahead. We'll still have that ridge kind of over the area, over the deep south is where it will be pinpointed, but overall nice weekend ahead with some unsettled weather on both sides. As for the 24-hour forecast here today, do have some slight rain chances here early in the morning of some passing showers as they are in the area. Seeing some elevated rain chances this afternoon for pop-up showers and thunderstorms. Thunderstorms don't exactly look to be likely, but they are still possible given the overall setup here. And as we move through the afternoon, expecting temperatures climb into the mid-80s and drop down to the mid-40s overnight tonight. Winds generally staying light throughout the entirety of our forecast period ahead, and all other operational categories are looking to be good with greens throughout. For the short-term outlook here on Thursday, partly to mostly cloudy with a very slight chance of seeing pop-up showers and thunderstorms and a high around 90. Thursday night, partly to mostly cloudy with a more elevated chance of seeing showers and thunderstorms and a low in the mid-70s. And then Friday, partly to mostly cloudy with a chance of showers and thunderstorms continuing into the earlier portion of the day, high around 85. And that will bring us on to the 7-day outlook for the week ahead. Today, seeing chances of thunderstorms. Tomorrow, slight chance of pop-up showers and thunderstorms. Friday, seeing a chance of thunderstorms returning, especially in the early to mid portion of the day, and temperatures remaining rather consistent with Thursday looking to be the warmest of the week ahead. Saturday, behind that cold front that passes through on Friday, we see clearing of the skies and temperatures kind of mellowing out, low to mid 80s for the weekend, and then to end the weekend, moving into early next week. Rain chances once again with that low to the north and the cold front pushing through. Elevated temperatures as well, and then Tuesday things clear out behind that second cold front and temperatures return to about average for this time of the year. That's going to conclude the 7-day outlook here today. We'll be back tomorrow at 8:15 with the daily weather operations brief, and I hope everyone has a wonderful rest of their day.